Webinars have become vital elements of modern communication and collaboration. Whether hosting virtual meetings, conducting training sessions, or delivering presentations to a larger audience, webinars provide a convenient and dynamic platform. Crowdcast helps businesses and content creators launch and manage webinars, question and answer sessions, workshops, live streams, and online summits to engage with customers. The built-in customizable landing pages allow enterprises to handle registrations and generate leads via custom URLs, images, videos, and descriptions. Crowdcast's real-time chat feature allows experts to connect with attendees, delete comments, control participant engagement, and invite people to share presentations, demos, and other multimedia content. It offers various features such as live streaming, audience engagement tools, and analytics to help users create engaging and impactful webinars. Crowdcast allows you to create multi-session events for summits, course, or recurring meetings through a single registration page. With its user-friendly interface and robust set of features, Crowdcast provides a seamless and interactive experience for both hosts and attendees. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Crowdcast review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Crowdcast. What does Crowdcast really do? Crowdcast is a market-leading live streaming platform that helps creators and businesses automate processes such as interviews, webinars, workshops, audience engagement, and more. Users can invite co-hosts or guests, receive questions from attendees, timestamp answers, and add multiple people on a single screen. Crowdcast allows businesses to customize landing pages to generate more leads through built-in registration or landing pages. It also helps creators manage private, paid, multi-session, recurring, or large-scale events, limit seats, and accept payments by integrating with multiple and reliable payment gateways. With Crowdcast, creators can use the screen sharing functionality to share presentations, demos, and other multimedia files with audiences and manage chat controls, including deleting comments, inviting people to events, or viewing attendee profiles. It allows users to interact with their audiences through live discussions, surveys, or chat, share moments across social media networks, and generate embedded links for different events. Crowdcast also allows professionals to track referrals, registrations, or signups and export data such as attendee names, poll answers, emails, and more. Beyond webinars and coaching sessions, Crowdcast has been employed in live retreat programs, delivering value to followers through guest interviews, hosting webinars, conducting online courses, broadcasting to social media, and connecting with coaching students. Benefits and key features of Crowdcast. 1. A user-friendly and intuitive interface. Crowdcast's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and use the features effectively. It allows users to easily manage their events without any technical difficulties. 2. Flexible customization options. Crowdcast allows users to customize their events according to their preferences. You can choose from a range of options, such as private or unlisted events, accepting payments, creating patron-only broadcasts, etc., which adds value to their overall experience with the platform. 3. Real-time chat and interactive features. With its interactive tools like question and answer sessions, polls, and surveys, Crowdcast allows hosts to engage with their audience and make the webinar more dynamic and engaging. 4. Web video conferencing. Crowdcast lets you host or join video meetings without the need to opt for the time-consuming process, where you have to first download the software to join a session. 5. Built-in landing pages that boost conversions. With Crowdcast, you can customize your URL, image, video, and description to capture leads with our built-in registration page. 6. Integration with social media platforms. Crowdcast seamlessly integrates with popular social media platforms, enabling hosts to reach a wider audience and promote their webinars more effectively. 7. SMS and email marketing. Crowdcast allows you to send out emails and SMS to those who have registered for your upcoming events. Rather than having a separate management system that does this, it can be easily automated on this platform. 8. Analytics and reporting. Crowdcast's detailed analytics give you a comprehensive idea of the performance of your pre-recorded webinars, your audience's reaction to the presentation, and the overall impact in terms of conversion rate, revenue, and more. With this, you can improve your performance to achieve your business goals. Crowdcast's pricing and plans. Crowdcast uses a monthly and annual model based on the number of live broadcast attendees. The 14-day free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The other plans include the Lite, Pro, and Business plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and the benefit of unlimited attendees on all your webinars. Pros: advanced built-in analytics that provides powerful insights. No delay HD streaming for seamless interaction. Automatic replays that can be done with one click. Push data from events, connect to an email list, and automate workflows. Send emails to clients within the app and also accept payments on the registration page. Flexible pricing and payment plans. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 14-day free trial option comes with limited features. Conclusion: Crowdcast is a versatile webinar tool for hosting online meetings, delivering training sessions or interviews, engaging with an audience through webinars or workshops, scaling businesses through group coaching, and connecting with customers or followers in an interactive way. Its user-friendly interface and automation capabilities help users navigate and host successful online events, saving them time and simplifying their workflow. Crowdcast enables creators to enhance their audience reach and engagement levels in virtual events. Users can expand their community by incorporating interviews, interactive sessions, webinars, conferences, and other activities. The software has an easy configuration that allows customers to start their events in seconds with a single URL, and no downloads are required. Through Crowdcast surveys, polls, and real-time chats, users can create live conversations and connect to other platforms like Facebook and YouTube Live by connecting through no-delay HE streaming. Besides, the software offers a variety of tools to creators to generate more engagement and potential leads, and also grow their businesses. By using Crowdcast to schedule and promote events, users have noticed increased engagement, exposure, and audience growth. The software allows for the delivery of training, interviews, interactive classes, live demos, client meetings, consultations, and other sorts of content development. Furthermore, users have relied on Crowdcast for years to connect with others and keep projects moving forward. It has been especially effective for educating audiences and fostering strong relationships through live seminars and webinars. Crowdcast has been shown to be the most effective webinar tool for automated workflows at a fair price. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Crowdcast. If you enjoyed this Crowdcast review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.